This is just a simple video to show you how to get the code to get into my programming lab, and inside my programming lab, that's where your textbook is. So I'm going to begin in Moodle, and I'm in my particular class, and I'm going to go to the Start Here block. When I open the Start Here block, I'm going to scroll down until I see this link right here, and this is the link to get your textbook code. So I'm going to click here, and it should take me to a screen that looks like this, and then you hit Reveal Access Code. Now, for teachers, you won't actually see a code here, but for students, when you hit, there'll be a code sitting there, and when you hit copy, it will copy that code to the clipboard. You can see where it says copied to clipboard. Alright, now we're going to need that code to get into my programming lab. So now we're going to get into my programming lab. So I'm going to return to Moodle, and I'm going to go, now we need this code in a minute, this course ID, but we don't need it right now. So now I'm going to go into Pearson Sign Up. And once I'm in Pearson Sign Up, I'm going to hit Students, Get Registered, and I know my GTCC email address. The ID code is the one we're going to go back to get from Moodle in just a minute. It looks like this right here, but that's not the one we need right now. And we need an access code, which is on the clipboard. Okay, and so once you verify that you have all three things here that you need, then we're going to go, I'm in the US or Canada, and then we're going to, yes, I have an access code, next, and I have to accept the policy, and then I recommend that you do create a new account, and you tell Pearson that you do not have an account, even if you do. It seems like students who try to combine accounts have a lot more trouble than students who set up a new account. So I recommend that, do you have a Pearson education account? I recommend saying no, but if you can get through it with yes, then that's fine. You can use it. But anyway, I usually hit this link here, and then I paste the access code. Okay, now I don't have an access code to paste right now, but you're going to paste it, and it's a long code. It's about 30 characters long, as you can see right there. And so then you hit next after you create your account, and after you put your access code, you hit next, and then it's going to ask you on the next screen, or it might be another screen away, but it won't be far before you're going to actually, now you're going to need this code, okay? And you're going to paste that code, which gets you in the right class. And I can't go there since I don't have an access code. So I'm sure you can figure it out from here. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like once you get into my programming lab, and how to find your book in there. So let's see if I can get into my programming lab. Okay, and you won't see this because this is what a teacher sees, and you won't see this because this is what a teacher sees. But I'm going to load the course, and now you should see this, and this is what you would see, and except that your name will be here instead of my name. And this is the screenshot I'm seeking, but if you send me another screenshot of you trying to get in or something, I'll take it, no problem. So anyway, this is where you are. Now once you get in here and everything's working, now you go over here to this little hamburger button right here, and you come down and you hit eText, and this should bring up your textbook. Okay, so that's the steps to getting the code and getting into my programming lab and getting your eText working. Email me if you have any questions. Thank you, and have a great time programming.